Well, I'm looking at my drawing through a pair of, guess, eyeglasses. Yeah, we're going to draw eyeglasses today. It's a little tricky, and part of the reason to do this is to practice that perspective of an object that has different shapes in it and going back and getting a little smaller. For example, the curve of the lower part of the eyeglass is a little tricky to get in the right perspective. I'm going to practice it right now, and you can join me.
I can see that this is going to be a great drawing. Okay, bad pun. Let's get going.
You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Let's add some color to this drawing now. We'll speed up the video. Pause or reduce the speed if you need to. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.